Ga, the Tibetan letter Ga. One usage of the third letter Ga in the Tibetan alphabet is kind of similar to WH in English, as in what, where, when, which, etc. And it can be used, obviously, to ask very useful questions. So the first question, very common one, also very helpful and useful to learn new vocabulary when you know how to say, what is this? Kare, kare, ka, re, kare. Di, kare, rebe. Di, this. Kare, what? Rebe, re means is or are, can be. Be is obviously a way to ask the question. Di, kare, rebe. And to answer that question, actually, it's quite simple. All you need to do is replace kare with the name of the object that you're asking about. So di lobdib. I just replaced kare with lobdib. So it is this book is. In other words, this is a book. And I dropped the be, which is a way to form a question. Now, to turn this into a question, to say, is this a book? All you need to do is add be at the end of the sentence and say, Di lobdib rebe. Di lobdib rebe.